Hello and welcome to stage 1 of the design process, preparing a rough outline for the different parts of your composition. In this video, I'll be demonstrating this step with character study of a pig for the Pigly series of drawings, and eventually simplifying these best features as an SVG. It is important to be familiar with the subject before you begin making your own creations. A digital medium makes it extremely easy to move particular elements around in your particular outcomes. If you're not working in a digital medium, you may want to lightly draw and pencil your composition using the smallest number of ovals, lines, and represent where essentially you want things to go. This is also good if you're trying a new subject or want to quickly get the basics down for any larger illustrations. I'll briefly show you what this might look like at the end using Photoshop as well as Inkscape. If you're able to create a rough outline of what you want it to look like, it just means you spend less time making adjustments later on, which is great, but it may take some time to get to that point. Make sure you have enough space to work with, and once you're ready to work with your document, ideally what I would do is create a new layer and set a brush to 9 pixels or something not too large and set it at an opacity of 32%. Start by defining the outlines of larger shapes, building up the strokes, and when you're happy with it, you'll see that particular areas are given more weight as they become darker. Zoom in if you need to, and start to add some finer details. Don't get too complicated at this point. You just want to get the key points down. Arranging the 3 pigs into a more balanced composition, you can see where I want the area of focus to be placed. The more complex you get, the more areas the eye can potentially focus on. This will be more important later on when cleaning up the lines and even adding small details and color.